Okay, guys, some of you know that I was planning on doing something with that Harbor Freight uh, motorcycle jack to lift that Ryker, and it's gonna be easy as like this. I'm gonna take this section out, and I'm gonna replace it with this. This is dedicated to the Ryker. It is dedicated to the Ryker because it's gonna have some pins that I'm gonna show you where it goes, so the Ryker doesn't fall off the jack stands. So there are two of these stands. Two of these has a pin. Those pins are going to be matching that. One pin is going to go here. Is where you use the plastic clip, and the other one is going to be there. So that's why the Ryker never fall off the rack. One is gonna go here, and the other one here. This is how it looks from the top. Since this pin, from this pin to this pin is exact measurement, this has a little movement just in case there are some difference between Ryker to Ryker. This slide in and out for half an inch. Then you line this up, you pull it close. There you go. Lift it up a little bit. Then you do the same thing on this side. Since the other one is touching, I'm gonna lift this close. That's about right. And then those pins are going to be lined up with those holes in the chassis. It will be impossible for the Ryker to fall off. And then you lift it up. Really light. One is go to a certain point for the safety. They improve a lot of things on these jacks, because I've been searching online, and they reinforce a lot of things. Yeah, it's pretty stable. Once it's locked, you put it down, and that's good. And once it's up, it's pretty stable. You can turn it around. Don't move it anywhere. Pretty easy. And take in consideration that I have a lot of weight here because all my air tank and the air suspension is on the back, but the center of gravity of the jack is good for me to jump on. That's how it looks. The only thing is that this peg gotta go up because it hits this base. And on the front it sits on the chassis. On the backs as well on the chassis, but this one has center pin. This one is sitting on the chassis, and here on center pin. Also, I'm pretty sure someone is able to remove the exhaust. if you got a couple of exhaust to change it, yeah, you're gonna be able to remove it. Here's another shot. It has plenty of room for taking the exhaust off. Don't do any kind of mechanic. You can remove the suspension instead of using this as an anchor point. Rather not use it, so you can really work on anything you want to do on your Ryker.